Good morning, everyone. I'm Abby. So I'm just gonna start. I have known God for as long as I can remember. I grew up going to church every Sunday with my family, praying through hardships and thanking God for all the blessing. As a Catholic, life happened though. Trusting Him became an option. Praying to Him became a tradition. Obeying Him was not my priority at all during that time. But I knew that He hears every questions, all the doubts in my heart. I know He knew. He sees my pain and He sees me giving up. I know too that He calls for me to come to Him. But still, I ignored that call. I went on disobeying Him, living a life the way I wanted, doing decisions for my convenience, seeking happiness in the wrong places, trusting people and failing. Heartaches and heartbreaks in a cycle, trusting, feeling alone and helpless, hurting people along the way. I was in deep pain. I burst in anger easily because I was too tired living the life I chose to live. But still, He didn't stop. He kept on showing me His goodness, blessing after blessings, always giving me a reason to continue, telling me repeatedly that He has more in store for me. He kept on calling. Still, I ignored His call. I felt worthless. I felt unworthy to come to Him. I wasn't getting any closer to the happiness I always have longed. I felt my life wasn't any good despite all my efforts. I wasn't getting anywhere. Maybe He felt what I felt. Maybe He knew He made the way. He made my whole family move. He gave us all the provisions, people to help us out, the work, a home, a great school for the kids. He had everything planned. We didn't even need to look for a church to go. He led us straight to a church. He made the path so clear, I no longer have a reason to wonder. In Psalm 139, verse 11, it is impossible to disappear from you or to ask the darkness to hide me, for your presence is everywhere, bringing light into my night. Living in a country and starting from scratch is not easy. Going to church and learning His word was not easy as well. Admitting and accepting that I am flawed wasn't an easy pill to swallow. But knowing that in spite of my faults and sins, He is right beside me through the changes I need to go through. Living in His promises gives me comfort. Standing here today, telling my story, was no accident. I am in the right place He asked me to stand. Not knowing His love, I obey His. Now, knowing His love, I obey His call to the best that I can. Knowing His goodness, I rely on Him in difficult times. This life that He so graciously gave me, I know will never be a walk in the park. But I know in Him, I will never be alone. Ephesians chapter 2, verse 10. God has made us what we are. In Christ Jesus, God made us new people so that we would spend our lives doing the good thing He has already planned for us to do.